Hi Liam, what are you going to do today?
I'm going to dig in the sand.
Going to dig in the sand. And which beach are we on?
Horrible.
Yes, also?
Known as Russian Beach.
Yes. Okay, so what are you going to play in the sand with?
This is just Volvo.
Oh, hi Volvo.
Hello.
Did you only bring Volvo?
Hello.
Oh, and who's that?
Beaver.
That's Lieber. What was that? Lifesaver Jeep. Okay, so what are you going to show us with your rooted Volvo and what's Lieber?
Beaver 574.
Okay.
And Volvo 860H.
Okay, so what are we going to do?
Dig.
Dig.
Okay, let's begin. Let's begin with the front. And known as a lever. So sand blocked the way.
Sand blocked the way? Oh no.
It's been hard to move this thing.
Just be careful, don't push it too hard, okay?
Oh!
Is still sand left?
Oi!
He threw it out. Okay, his bucket's empty.
That's the second school.
So when you are loading Volvo, where are you going to dump all the sand?
You know, there's a person.
Where are you going to dump it? Over there. By the shoes? Okay.
Still getting more sand. Go easy, no locking. Make sure that thing doesn't come out. Look! Oh, still got some. Now just leave it here.
Okay, so Lieber's going to stay there. Where's Volvo going?
You know where I'm going.
I don't know where you're going.
Yeah.
It's the sand too soft for him to move. Okay. One load is offloaded.
Time for refueling. Time for refueling. Time for refueling.
Drink.
Liam's favorite drink.
Fanta orange.
Fresh?
I'm gonna sit.
Shot.
Okay. Let's take a break.
This host right on you.
Okay, Liam, we're back. He has hydrated a little bit. And now he's going to continue digging. With your hands or with Lieber?
Hands are not quite easy.
Can you explain to us again how your Lieber works?
And then we just dump those out.
Well, you want to dump it, but then Volvo's too far away. You have to bring him closer, isn't it? Because he can't sit at the dumping site, and you want to fill him up with Lieber.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what a loader are not used for heavy duty jobs.
No, they're
Some
not.
of those are,
Why aren't they used for heavy duty?
but they can be used for lots of heavy stuff.
Is it?
And even more rocks.
So what can they all put in their buckets for heavy duty things?
Like rocks,
Yeah? Oi!
sand went in this hydraulic now.
Yeah, it's fine sand, yeah, so it will go in the hydraulic. We'll just have to wash it out nicely later. The sand has gone everywhere. The sand is very fine, it's going everywhere in all the
This,
little grooves.
feel the stuff is falling down like that.
Yeah, it's very fine, eh?
This is
Okay.
That is like hard. This is so sad. So
Okay.
So we have a front end loader. See, I was all loading area. He's gonna go swimming.
Who's gonna go swimming?
Daddy, I'm sticking.
That. Well, that was a lot too.
You still have to. Okay, but before you go swim, you need to first
And me?
dump all the sand from Volvo.
Daddy, wait for me. Should I come with? Okay.
There.
Okay, Liam, so wait, before you run off. Wait. So you're gonna say goodbye for today?
So I just digged.
Yeah?
Now I'm gonna swim.
Is it?
I don't know how to swim, but we're gonna go in the water right now. Bye. Comment down below. Put thumbs up. Hit the bell. Push the button. Hope you like the video. If you want to see another one,
Is it?
you can just see one of my math video I made.
Okay, we will. Alright, so enjoy!
Enjoy.